Are you new to affiliate marketing and looking for a guide to help you get started on the right foot? Look no further. In this video, we'll provide you with the ultimate beginner's guide to marketing for affiliate marketers. Affiliate marketing is a great way to earn passive income by promoting products or services online and earning a commission for each sale made through your unique affiliate link. But in order to be successful in this competitive industry, you need to have a solid marketing strategy in place. The first step in your affiliate marketing journey is to choose the right affiliate programs to promote. Look for programs that offer products or services that align with your niche and appeal to your target audience. Next, create valuable content that educates, entertains, or inspires your audience. This can be done through blog posts, social media posts, videos, or email newsletters. Remember, the key is to provide value to your audience and build trust with them. It's important to track your marketing performance to see what's working and what's not. Use analytics tools to monitor your traffic, conversions, and revenue to make data-driven decisions for optimizing your marketing strategy. Lastly, engage with your audience regularly by responding to comments, messages, and feedback. Building a strong relationship with your audience will not only increase your credibility, but also boost your sales. And there you have it, the ultimate beginner's guide to marketing for affiliate marketers. With the right strategies and a little bit of hard work, you can achieve success in the world of affiliate marketing. Good luck on your journey, and happy marketing! Subscribe for more tips and tricks on affiliate marketing.